My name is James Whiteside with DanceTeacherWeb, and I'm also a principal dancer with American Ballet Theatre and the author of Center Center, and I am joined today by Sophie Silnicki. We are going to do some pirouettes today, and I'm going to keep the emphasis on repetition here. So there are going to be little tweaks with each time we do it. So, that being said, we're going to start. Tendu bat. We're just going to do tombe, pas de bourrée. And we're going to do a double pirouette. Let's not get crazy. And your left hand's going to be on your hip. Your right hand's going to be in first position. So you're going to do double and finish. Tombe, pas de bourrée. Then you're going to switch it, put your right hand on your hip. Double and finish. Then you're going to do tombe, pas de bourrée. Just regular pirouette. Let's do like 2 or 3. 1, 2, 3, out. Staying on releve. Do a little développé. Chassé, chaîné, 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 chaîné. And finish. Okay? Let's go back to the corner. So, starting back, tombe, pas de bourrée, double, finish. Tombe, pas de bourrée, double, finish. Tombe, pas de bourrée, 1, 2, 3, out. Chassé, chaîné, 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 and finish. Finish on the 1 if you're feeling really spicy in those chaînés. Couple things to think about here. The whole point of this hand on the hip thing is to try and get your back to come around with you. A lot of the times, the arms drift and you end up doing a pirouette in this very amorphous position. So really think about bringing your left shoulder around while pressing it down and back, okay? And then with this one, you're going to have that same feeling of bringing the left side around, but you're in a different position because dance, believe it or not, comes in different positions. And then, for the last one, I want a nice dynamic pirouette, nice fast pirouette, open, staying on releve if possible. And then quick chaînés and finish, all right? Sophie, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's do this. Good, very nice. Good. Faster chaînés. Finish. And right on the edge of the stage. Loved it. That was very beautiful. A couple things to think about here. Your preparation for the pirouette is a little dry. So you get to this fourth and you just sort of hang out for a second. So can you give me a little bit more flavor before you do it, like a little squeeze or something to let me know that you're alive? Squeeze. Up, up, stay, down. Good. One more thing. In the pirouette, I want you to drop your shoulders down and back. So right now they're like about here. Do you see what I mean? And I think you can go boom and like roll them this way a little bit. Yeah? Give it a go. Now drop them back. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, one more thing. I'm really picking on Sophie here because that's what we have to do, people. Okay. From here, I want you to change your direction of your head and eyes. So instead of going this way, I want you to go down, up, pas de bourrée. All right? So it changes a little bit. Don't do the pirouette, just show me the preparation. And beautiful. That's it, exactly. Let's do that again. All of those notes are going to be incorporated because Sophie is a genius, and we're going to do this again. Use the upper body. Yes, exactly. Make the finish exciting and important. Ta-da! Yes. Dynamic pirouette. 1, 2, 3, out. Beautiful. There we go. Magic, I say. Magic.